I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are doing some buttermilk air fried chicken. Yes, we are. I like mine's dark. I was trying to make sure it is done. So guys, if you haven't been checking out my community posts, I post a community on the tab to see what type of chicken you guys would like to see me do. And you guys chose this buttermilk chicken. So stay tuned and let's get into the video and let me show you the ingredients we will be using for this buttermilk air fried chicken. So thank you guys. I listen and I'm bringing it to y'all. Be right back. Hey guys, so here are all the ingredients we will be needing for our air fried crispy chicken, y'all. Buttermilk chicken. So we have a flour there, all-purpose flour, and we're going to mix that with some cornstarch. Alright guys, so we are going to get started with this lovely dish and I will be right back. Hey guys, I am back. So we have 2 cups of the buttermilk here, okay, that we will be using. I forgot to put in, we have some peppercorn medley in here along with the rest of our seasoning. We're going to just blend this very well. I find that when you are air frying in the air fryer, the seasoning stays right on top of the chicken. So I am not going to put too much seasoning on our chicken wings because, as you can see, our flour is heavily seasoning. So we're going to get this all married together and set it to the side, and then we're going to season our wings. We have cleaned our wings, plucked any hairs as we can off of the wings, okay, and we wash them down with some vinegar and water and a little bit of lemon juice, okay. Also, what you will be needing, which I didn't put in there, is some red hot sauce or your favorite kind of hot sauce. I always season my wings with the hot sauce. Now I've made buttermilk fried chicken before on the channel. I think I have a few recipes, so go check those out. So anyway, let's get started getting these seasoned because we want this to sit in the fridge to brine in that buttermilk for at least an hour. It'll be much better if you did it for overnight, okay? That chicken will be so tender and moist. Woo! It's unbelievable, guys. All right, so let's get started. Complete seasoning. That's our salt. Okay, and I probably have like a good 8 to 10 wings in here, probably. All right, and then we're gonna come in with our red hot sauce, or like I said, your favorite kind of hot sauce. Just pour it on in there, baby. Get it on in there. How you guys doing today? I want to thank you for watching my last video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for always coming over to the channel and showing your girl some love. I appreciate it. So we're just going to get these flavors married up in this bowl. Okay. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Have you guys made buttermilk chicken, fried chicken before? And do you have an air fryer? Just stir it in there a little bit too, so buttermilk can pick up the seasonings. It's truly delicious. And the buttermilk, what the buttermilk brining does is tenderize your chicken, okay? And you will have some fabulous, juicy chicken. Oh my goodness, I'm just telling you guys. Seriously. And so we want to make sure it's covered. So what I'm going to do is cover this up, sit it in the fridge. When I come back, we are going to place them on a cooling rack so they can drip off. The buttermilk can drip off of this, and then we'll coat it, because you don't want clumpy flour. You want everything evenly coated so you don't have chunks, and then, you know. So I'll be right back, guys, with the next step. Our chicken has marinated up in there. All right, so now it's time for us to remove them. And we're going to place them on our cooling rack, okay? And let them drain. So probably like about 15, 20 minutes. You know, just until you can tell that it's not dripping wet. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let these chill out on the cooling rack. Alright, guys. So we have 10 chicken wings here. And we're going to let them just chill out, okay? And then I will be back. So we're going to cook these in our air fryer on 400 degrees, okay? And we're going to do it about 20 minutes. So if you have a meat thermometer, that would be your best bet, so you can check and make sure that your chicken is at 165 degrees, okay, on the inside. And we want some crispy chicken on the outside, but we want them well done on the inside, okay, and juicy. All right, guys, so I'll see you back in about 30 minutes. All right, guys, so we're going to set our Ninja Foodie on to air fry, okay, and then we're going to go down here and change, so we can change our temperature, and then we're going to switch our temperature up to 400 degrees. Then we're going to go down here and change our timer, and we do want 20 minutes, and so everything will be set. So I'll be back when we're about to get started frying. Hey guys, welcome back. So our chicken has been floured and been sitting for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to take our Spam spray. Don't go too close, far out. I'll spray one side, okay? We want that cooking spray on there. All right, and then I'm gonna flip it over, spray the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and load our air fryer. I'll be right back. So guys, our air fryer has been set. Our wings has been sprayed. Yes, we ready to fry some chicken. Okay, I'm ready for some crispy air fried chicken wings. Y'all ready? Yes, and don't stack them. You should never stack your wings, guys. But I wanna try to get at least 5 in here, you know. I'm just trying to move it around. Let me find me a small wing and get you in here. Bam! Booyah! So we got our wings in there, okay? Got 5 wings. Yes, made it work. More minutes left. So guys, with like 4 or 5 minutes left. This is what it's looking like. I want to flip them, so that's what I'm going to do. So I flipped them over. This time we are going to use some olive oil instead of the cooking spray. I didn't like the way it turned out. So look how perfect these other wings came out using the olive oil. Second batch. Alright guys, it's time to flip. Let's flip these babies over. They looking good. Ooh, I can't wait. We'll be right back. Guys, look at the chicken. Hey guys, hey. Ooh, let's see what it's giving. Hey y'all, hey. We are back, and we are back with our air fried chicken. Okay, I made sure that I did this definitely extra crispy. Yes, I did, because it wasn't coming out right at first. So you see, I did another take. Let's get into this chicken. Ooh wee, hot y'all, it's hot. Ooh. As you can see, it's done on the inside. Yes, let's take a bite. Ooh, hot. Flavorful. Definitely crunchy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was truly fabulous. Okay, and I definitely will be doing this again. I've did it before, and this time I knew I had to let the chicken settle a little longer with the flour. So guys, go ahead and make y'all some air fried buttermilk chicken. Yes indeed, it's delicious. Meat is so tender and everything. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you'll make you some buttermilk air fried chicken wings and enjoy them as much as we are going to enjoy these tonight. So shout out to you. Kudos. Continue doing my polls on the community tab, telling me what you would like to see on the channel. Comment down below and let me know as well. If you're not subscribed and you feel your heart need, feel the content to do so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We are happy to have you part of the JCZ family. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another video. So with that being said, love is love. Keep loving on one another and stay tuned for the next poll. Alright? And I hope you will go vote. Okay, there is still a poll lingering out there, but I think I made a decision on that one. What I'm going to do, I think y'all chose a macaroni, baked macaroni and cheese, which is coming to you next. Yes. As I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later, guys. I'm going to eat.
Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop, sizzle and pop, sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.